Hi girls, welcome back. I'm doing another vlog. It's Friday afternoon, so I'm gonna be vlogging my whole weekend and I'm so excited. So I'm just getting ready right now. I'm actually in a little bit of a rush, but I'm going to go meet my friends at the park and we're gonna hang out and maybe play a little bit of tennis and just enjoy the day because it's a beautiful day. And at work, I have summer Fridays, so I get off of work at like 1 o'clock. I ended up going out last night. I didn't think it was gonna be such a big night, but honestly, it was so much fun. I went out with my cousin and I just had a really good time. So I'm very happy. Then I just got home. I'm feeling great today. Tonight, me and my cousin are going out to another event. They're pretty much like taking over this huge like restaurant slash like grocery store fancy like thing and turning it into a huge party. So I'm definitely gonna turn it up tonight. I'm not gonna do any makeup or anything because I know I'm probably gonna be sweating, but I will check back in after I am dressed. Okay, you guys, I'm all ready to go. This is my little tennis park outfit. I packed a nice little blanket and my water bottle. Gonna hit the road. It's gorgeous out. I'm so excited. Hi vlog, we're at the park. We're in the tent.
Hi. I'm not in the tent.
Like 10% of my battery, guys.
Hey guys, so I made my anklet. And this is Andre's bracelet. Oh wait, gorge, wait, I love this actually.
And this is like a little hanging like pearl situation.
Aww,
Like, it's so
cute. It's like the mama and the papa and the baby. Got to get your whole foot in there. Order number 7. Vlog. I got my hot. Oh. I know. It's so oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, you guys. So we got our matchas, and we are headed back to my place so we can get ready for the night. Low-key in like a little bit of a rush, maybe. Yeah, we took our sweet fucking time at the same time. So we are excited to enjoy the rest of our day. Hey guys, so we got home and then got ready really quick because we have to go to this event shortly. This is the look. I'm wearing this like jumpsuit. Cute. This makeup. Yes. Hi vlog, so we're in the Uber. We're so hungry, we starved ourselves all day so that we could eat everything at this event.
All you can eat, open bar.
Ah, yay. And then I went to Nini's house to get the lights. And then we went to Nini. Scoville Offing, and then oh my god. We're making charms. Deadass just like hairstyling happening here. Like, are you seeing this? Come on! Come on! Okay, vlog, I got my little charm back.
So I did the wine glass.
Very cutesy.
I don't know what they call this.
There's a little chili pepper.
Yeah, little
A
silver.
silver
And then
and
a
a
lemon
lemon.
slice.
vlog. So the last thing you saw was us at the party. It got real good. I had a really good time. My cousin went to an AP and then I just went home. And now I am on the GO train headed to my friend's house to have a little pool day because it's gorgeous out and I think it's just what I need. And then I'm thinking about going out tonight. I just need to see what is poppin'. But I'm feeling good. I'm like definitely a bit hungover. I was also just in like Union Station crying, finishing last night's episode of Love Island. I'm having such a good weekend. Hi vlog. Yes, I have an insane phobia of flying bugs. Hey vlog. So it's like 5:30. I'm on my way home, but I have to stop at LCBO so I can get a couple drinks for tonight. I have no idea what I'm even doing, but I'll figure it out. Oh girl, what a weekend this has been. Hey y'all. So I'm just lounging. Jesus, my hair. I need to wash it for tonight. But I'm just lounging around at home now, just trying to rest before the night begins. But I am going out to this little street festival, Taste of Little Italy, and then going to go out after, like to a bar or like something nearby. I think we're just gonna play it by ear, but we're all just gonna convene at the street festival. Hi guys, quite the transformation from earlier. I did my makeup and my hair, and I just need to get dressed, and then I'm out the door. Looks so good. I'm so excited. Hi vlog. So we're at Taste of Little Italy now. And it's crazy. Yeah. So that's what's going on. And yeah. Hey vlog.
Alright.
Okay, so here we are.
Oh my god, the wind is just hitting me
I know, it's
perfectly.
really
Oh my god, it looks horrendous.
No, it looks good.
Guys, aren't we your fave too? Catch us on Love Island next season.
Let's go and let's couple up.
I know.
Maybe we can
I
pretend.
know. I know.
Yeah.
I don't know, Adrian, you were holding my hand through the crowd and you were leading me, and why did I feel like a little bottom?
No,
I was like,
dominating.
Yeah.
As fuck.
cut the cameras.
A fresh one.
With this blurry ass camera.
Okay, my bad. It didn't fix shit. Okay, hi vlog.
Hey vlog, I'm calling from Declan's iPhone.
I'm calling from Declan's toaster. Like Red Rover. Vlogging.
Can you take a flash pic of us? Can you take a 0.5 flash pic of us? What color is the CN Tower?
It's red tonight. Put Nina Girachi on in the Uber and we're on the move. Hi vlog. Good morning or good afternoon. It's like almost 2 p.m. I woke up at like 10 a.m. because I can never sleep in after a night out no matter what I do. Okay, I have decided to rise and I'm going to go get food. I think I'm gonna get Chipotle. But I'm feeling good and I am going to, yeah, let's go get some food. Fucking shit weather out. It's just rainy. My brain is not working. Actually, I was just on FaceTime with my friend because we're like sorting out our little weekend trip to New York, looking at hotels, and that's really exciting. I'm home now and I got my Chipotle bowl. I've been obsessed with Chipotle lately. I am loving their new hot honey Chipotle chicken. It's so fucking good. And now I'm just gonna watch Netflix for hours and relax until I need to go to the grocery store, but it's just such a gloomy day. I'm just gonna like rot and chill.